अपना। अब वहाँ देखो, ये ना क्या दिखा रहा है?
पुराना है, 2 मिनट भर का है ये पुराना है, 2 मिनट भर का है, पुरानी है।
जस्ट नाउ
हाँ 2 मिनट भर का है।
सुने ही रहेगा, वहाँ जाओ, हम बोलेंगे तो
नहीं
सुनेगा।
करेगा।
All of you, we are waiting. Yeah, thanks. Who is there? Just let me know whether I'm audible and visible perfectly or not. My clay is drying. I need to make small. I'll keep ready by the time other people also come. Okay, keep joining. I'm making small balls for to finish this. So let me finish making the balls. By the time, let all others also join, and I'll show you the fixing. Hi Pallava, Pooja, thank you for joining. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for letting me know that I'm audible and visible perfectly. Now I have put the camera towards me. I'll just let everybody join. I'll just put it towards the project. So, hi Jayanti, thank you for joining. Why are you late today, Jayanti? Because some people called and told me that they are not able to see the video, so that's why we decided to log out and log in again. Okay, so just wait for a couple of minutes. Let everybody join in fast. So we just mix. So we have just mixed the clay here, and I'm just making with the clay. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, no issues in that. Attend the session and make the project, and please submit the projects. All the 3 days project has to be submitted. So then only we'll be able to issue you a certificate for this mega event, mega festive event. Okay? Okay. So I'm just rolling them into tilakam like this, because I need a lot of tilakam like this. So for the rolling the tilakam, just take a small ball like this, and one side you press. So very beautiful tilakam will be ready like this. Okay? Okay. Let's wait. Let all of you join. So and then we want small balls also. So I'm making a lot of small balls to decorate this. As I told you, today we are doing dry fruit box making. I am making on a hard Poco phone box. You can make on a cardboard hard box, or even you can make it on a plastic dry fruit box. Or if you have old masala container in plastic at home, on that you can create and decorate, and inside already the compartments are there. So you can serve your dry fruits there in the on the dining table. So we have today, I have made one in wood, and I have also made one in plastic, and now on the spot I am making on a hard cardboard box. You can also do it in a glass box, but then glass box you have to handle it very carefully. But this plastic boxes are easily available. If somebody has gifted you some dry fruit box, you can paint it, color it, and decorate it like this, how we are showing it, and you can keep it on a dining table permanently, so that whenever your guest comes at home, yeah, I'll put, just wait, I am just making small balls. I'm just showing you how to make the balls. I'm just make sufficient balls and tilakam, and then I'll put the camera down. Just wait for few minutes. So just we'll give you the instruction what you have to make, at least you have to make small like this 50 balls. Okay, and like this 50 balls, and like this might be 50 tilakams. I'm just showing you. These are the tilakams. Like तिलक की तरह है देखने में, जैसे हम सिर पे तिलक लगाते हैं उसकी तरह है। और ये छोटे छोटे गोल गोल बॉल्स हैं। तो आपको 50 पीस ये बनाना है, 50 पीस ये बनाना है, डिपेंड करता है आपका वर्क कितना बड़ा है। ठीक है, और इसके बाद आपको ये जैसे है आपका, और तो मैं 50-50 राउंड राउंड बॉल्स बना रही हूँ। क्ले जैसे मैंने बताया मोल्डेड 2 पार्ट में आता है, उसको इक्वल क्वांटिटी में लेके आपको मिक्स करना है। थोड़ा थोड़ा मिक्स करिएगा और थोड़ा थोड़ा यूज़ करिएगा, एक साथ सारा नहीं मिक्स करिएगा, बहुत जल्दी मोल्डेड हार्ड हो जाता है। 15-20 मिनट में हार्ड हो जाएगा तो आप उससे काम नहीं कर पाओगे। ठीक है, तो आप थोड़ा थोड़ा लीजिएगा और दोनों इक्वल क्वांटिटी में लीजिएगा और उसको मिक्स करिएगा। So we'll keep mixing it. So we are just mixing it nicely, and I'm making the balls and everything, and then I'll put the camera towards this. Okay, so 4 corners, we need 4 big balls. For the 4 corners I'll make 4 big balls. Yeah, I think people were having a problem in login, so now only people are all getting inside. Okay, come. I'll just be tuned to the last. Those who have missed the starting, we will give you a recap again. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you, Dipti ji. Thank you, Amber Sky. So just be tuned to the last. As I always say, just be tuned to the last. We will give you a recap in the last. Suppose you have missed something, you have joined late, so just be tuned to the last. We'll give you a recap in the last also. Okay, now we made this balls, as I told you. Put little glue. This is a Poco phone hard box. I am using it for dry food box making today. Here we put 1 round ball, 4 corners. First I am going to put 4 round balls. Okay, you can design it according to your choice. This is just these techniques you have to use. Okay, and just take the back side of the sketch pen or a ball pen and press hard. Those people who are doing clay, means they must be having some tools, they can use their tools, and others they don't have tools, they will use this. Okay, अभी इसको करने के बाद दो स्केच पेन का जो ऊपर वाला रिफिल है, रिफिल में नहीं है इसमें कोई भी चीज, हाँ पेंसिल, take a pencil and in the side you can just poke and create some design. This is for new people. There are some kids, they are watching, so we want to make very they are first time they will be doing molded work, so we want to tell them how to create impression in clay. So basically आप इस तरह से क्ले में इन्फ्लेक्शन, साहिना थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, आप इस तरह से क्ले में इम्प्रेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ओके, I'll show you the impression. Bring it to the close to the camera. You can have a look. So we have till here we have completed. Now in the center we will now put glue and cover this like this. You can see how I am putting the glue, where I am putting the glue, like that. I have rolled the strips. I am going to put the strips. Okay. So the strips, what we are doing, it has to be uniform. what you roll, it has to be uniform. It should not be thick and thin. If it is thick and thin, please adjust it. Try to roll it uniform and just cut it out. Okay, so just keep it on anything and roll it uniform. So here we are doing it. Two sides we have completed. This two sides also we'll do. So just gently roll so that you get a uniform strip. Okay. Next month we are going to do different types of folk and traditional art and 3D relief painting and so many other sessions. So please submit your project so that you get free entry to the next session. As I told you, those who are submitting the project, they will only get entry to the next sessions. Those who are not submitting the project, we will not give them entry to the next mega event what we are conducting. Okay, so here it is. Now we will put some petals like this. So I have already made the tilakam. So just put the Fevicol and arrange the tilakam. Can you see how I am arranging it? Okay, if you want to press it, you can press, that gives another look, or if you want it like this bulging, you can keep like this bulging. So this that has another look. Whichever you want, you can do. So I want it bulging. The other one what I have done yesterday in the dry fruit box, I pressed this. So I'll show you in the last, you will understand what I mean to say. Okay, अगर आपको ये जैसे मैंने इसको बल्जिंग रखा है, अगर आप इसको प्रेस करेंगे तो ये फ्लैट हो जाएगा लीफ की तरह, तो आप उसको प्रेस भी कर सकते हो. अगर आपकी मर्जी है, आप उसको ऐसा रखना चाहते हो तो ऐसे रख सकते हो, नहीं तो उसको प्रेस कर सकते हो. Okay, so as I told you that this session will be conducted both in English and Hindi, so that people those who don't understand English that much, it will be easy for them to understand. Okay, so here we are. So we are going to put this side, all the four sides I am going to complete. सो छोटे बड़े आप थोड़े से अनइवन भी बना सकते हो, थोड़े छोटे बना सकते हो, थोड़े बड़े बना सकते हो. अगर छोटे बड़े मिक्स करके बनाओगे तो मिक्स करके बनाओ, नहीं तो एक साइज़ का बनाना है तो एक साइज़ का बनाओ. आपके ऊपर है आप कैसा बनाना चाहते हो. ओके, तो बेस्ट क्या है कि आप एक साइज़ के बॉल्स बना लीजिए और फिर उसी बॉल से आप ये तिलकम बनाइए, तो क्या होगा, आपका सारा तिलकम एक ही साइज़ का बनेगा. तो ये छोटी छोटी टिप्स है जो आपको फॉलो करना चाहिए जब आप कोई काम कर रहे हो. तो ऐसे फ्री हैंड से तिलकम बनाओगे तो कभी कोई छोटा बन जाएगा, कभी कोई बड़ा बन जाएगा. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको पहले बॉल्स बना लेने हैं और उसी बॉल से आपको तिलकम बनाना है. तो क्या होगा, आपका जो तिलकम है सारा एक साइज का बनेगा, छोटा बड़ा नहीं बनेगा. ओके, सो ये वाले साइड्स पे क्योंकि स्पेस कम है तो हम यहाँ पे नहीं बनाएंगे, सिर्फ ये दो साइड्स पे बनाएंगे. तो ये दो साइड्स में थोड़ा स्पेस कम है. सो आई विल मेक द तिलकम दिस टू साइड्स एंड दिस टू साइड आई विल डिजाइन समथिंग डिफरेंट बिकॉज द स्पेस इज बिट लेस. So let me design something different here. Okay, so it's all up to you what you want to do. I think I can put one more tilakam here. So we'll put one this side here and one that side. and then we'll try to design something here in this side. Positively use glue to stick your clay work. So what will happen? Your clay work will become strong. It will not fall off. Okay. Done. So this side we are going to design something. Let's see what we are designing this side. First, let us make some hole here. We have this, you get a lot of tools there. So you can use a pencil, clay modeling tools if you are having, you use. Otherwise the same thing you can do with a pencil or a ball pen refill. Just make points like this. And I'm going to put very small balls here. So might be, or we can use a cutter and cut them out. So that will be another nice design. It will be looking like this. After putting the things, we can just with a cutter cut out the design so it will look nice. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are just putting here equal shapes. We'll put some balls here and design the balls. With anything you can create the pattern. It's up to you what pattern you want and however you want to create. Okay. So अभी ये आप इसको ऐसे प्रेस कर दीजिए, बीच में लगा के उसको प्रेस कर दीजिए. तो क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा वो फ्लैट हो जाएगा. आप इस फ्लैट होने के बाद इसके ऊपर आपको जो डिज़ाइन चाहिए आप कर सकते हैं. So, and then one more we put here. So we have designed it like this. Now, if you want to create some impression inside these flats, so we can create some impression. Let me see what can we do. Yeah. So some sketch pens, they have floral design. If you do with the back side of the cap of the sketch pen, you will get a floral impression on this. Okay. So almost this is done. Center part I want to keep one flower. So one packet clay is enough for this work. So let me put some flower in the center part. Why you can't hear me? Am I not be audible? Jayanti King is telling me that she cannot hear me. I think you have to log out and log in. Please somebody let me know whether I am audible or not. Just write and let me know. Those who are watching me that I am audible or not, because Jayanti King is telling me that ma'am I cannot hear you. So just let me know, write and let her know that ma'am is audible. There must be some problem in your internet connection. Please write and let me know whether I am audible or not. Sanjeev? Oh, thank you Dipti ji for letting me know that I am audible. I think the spare phone today I am not having. Yesterday I was having the spare phone, so I was... Okay, thank you letting me know, Renu, that I am audible. Neeraj, that I am audible. Thank you. So Jayanti ji, plus please log out and log in. I think that you are having some Girija, 1 minute, you are having some problem. Okay, thank you Amber Sky letting me know that I am perfectly audible. Okay. Could you just, somebody could put in the WhatsApp group a message that ma'am is live, please come. Because yesterday we had some 23 to 25 members, today only 12. When we have couple of time we have sent the message in the WhatsApp group that sharp 1 o'clock I'll be live. So just put some message in the WhatsApp group, mega event, that ma'am is live, please come. So please put the message, because today the counting is very less. Yesterday we were having 25 members live. Today it's only 12. I don't know what has happened. So please put message. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Rupali girl. And please put message in the WhatsApp group that we are live, so that because today there was a little problem in the internet connection, so they might be thinking that the program is not conducted, or I have not come live. So just put the message there. Okay. So now in the center we are going to do some work. So might be let's see what I have. Yeah. So we have this any impression you can create whatever you want. So it's all up to you. I want to do some swirls, so that's why I'm creating this impression. Some swirls I want to make. So you can also press like this. Anything conical you have at home, you can press like this. So impression will come like this only. Okay. So to make the swirls, you have to roll them nicely and create swirls and put. So just put around this. So go on rolling, and finally we'll end up with a tail if you want swirls. So we'll just roll little more. Go on attaching with each roll, and then end with a swirl. So attach here, and while attaching, merge it so that they don't look, the joint is not visible. Okay, while attaching this, just little bit merge it so that the joint is not visible, and go on attaching the swirls. I want to make little big. This one packet clay we have used, so I want to finish that clay. Okay, and then we have this okay. So just put little glue, and then always place the clay after putting the glue. It is always safer to put glue and place the clay, so the clay doesn't come out. Zoom it, ma'am. Okay, 1 minute. And I don't need to zoom, I need to go back. Okay, 1 minute. Okay? Yeah. It's correct now, Dipti? Done? So we have finished the clay work. So I want to make this antique or antique green. So I'm going to give a green coat, but you people have to wait for it completely to dry. At least half an hour, 45 minutes, all the clay will dry up. But today, since I'm doing in one shot, I'm going to do very gently, put metallic green on this. Okay? I'm going to very gently put metallic green on this. This is metallic green color. Fevicryl Hobby Ideas metallic green color. So I'm going to put this. Okay, correct? ओके, ठीक है. अभी मेटालिक ग्रीन कलर से जेंटली कोट करना है और वो कोट ड्राई होगा इसके ऊपर. आप दूसरा जो भी कलर लेना चाहेंगे हम ले सकते हैं. तो मेटालिक ग्रीन को मैं थोड़ा डार्क करना चाहती हूँ. ये बहुत लाइट है तो इसके अंदर हम थोड़ा सा ग्रीन मिक्स करेंगे. लीफी ग्रीन. आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स लीफी ग्रीन. दिस इज एक्रिलिक ग्रीन. आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स विद दिस मेटालिक ग्रीन. So I get a little bit darker green because this metallic green is very light. So ma'am, you can give it yellow. You want yellow? Okay, first let me do base coat green and then I'll take yellow. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Yes, yellow and green looks nice. It's a very good combination. So I can create my own metallic color by mixing. I have just mixed green and metallic green. This is I'll tell you the number of this, name of this. This is leafy green, I think so. Yeah, light green. This is light green and this is I think metallic green, I think so. Let me see what it is in there. Yeah, pearl metallic green. So I mix both the colors. So now my metallic color will come little dark. So it will have a nice dark shine. And I am going to apply it very gently. All of you please wait for this to dry. Then only you should apply because it is not dried. It is still very, very soft. So we need to work very gently. Okay. So here it is. So done. So we have to give 2 coat because the background was black, jet black. So until and unless I give 2 coat, it will not look nice. So I have to wait for it to dry up and then I can give 2 coat. And this side I will give black color. Let it be black. Already black is there. I am going to put black here. Okay. Because the black, can you have a look? It doesn't since the background is black, it doesn't come in 1 coat. It will come like this, little shiny. So let it dry up. We can give 2 coat after it dries up. Instead of giving we can give black also. If I give black means 1 coat is enough. But then since I have already given green on the top, so let me continue with the green. After it dries up, to give a very good finishing, I'll give 1 more coat. Okay. संजीव 12 का आई पॉइंट लो. तुम लॉगिन नहीं किए हो, लॉगिन करो ना. Okay. So because we have labels here, until and unless I give you 2 coats, the labels will not be getting covered. Okay. So since I have used Poco phone cover, so Poco F1 phone cover, so I need to give 2 coats to cover up the Poco writings and the labels and all, everything. Okay. So what we can do, we'll just put now one coat, let that one coat dry up, and then we will give another one more coat so that it looks bright and nice. Okay. So you have to be anyhow the green, see, after mixing the green, this green is looking so nice. This is very light. I'll show you. This green is very light, but when we mix this leafy green with this, it has come dark like this. So you can see the difference. So that's why I told that let's mix little light green in that so that I can get a nice bright dark metallic green color. So I am applying the second coat here. Okay. All of you should wait for the clay to dry. Until and unless the clay dries up, please don't put the second coat. The clay has to dry, then put the first coat of the color, and the first coat should dry up, then only the second coat of the color should be put. Okay. So this today we are doing in a one shot because we want to finish the whole session in a 1 hour session. So that's why I am giving you simultaneously the color one after the other before it dries up. But you people should wait for the clay to dry, then put the color, and after you finish, after the first coat of the color dry, then put the second coat. If the background is white or any other color, not black, not a dark color, you don't need to put second coat. With one coat of color, I think it will be sufficient. So check it out, whatever you want. You can use any color. I have used metallic color here. You can use any acrylic colors, any metallic colors, or any whatever you want, whichever color you want, you can put. So there is no hard and fast rule for which color you want. You can create your own box according to your own choice. Whichever you want, whichever color you want, whichever pattern you want. Okay. So let this dry up. I need to give we use mold it. I'll show you the mold it packet here. We have used mold it here. So this is a Fevicryl Hobby Ideas workshop. Mold it is easily available, ready to use clay with 2 different products which we have to mix them and make. Okay. So I have used molded. It has 2 components, resin and the hardener. Both has to be taken in equal quantity and mix. And while mixing, you can use little bit talcum powder in your hand or chalk powder so that the clay doesn't stick to your hand. And how much ever you need, that much you use. And after you finish doing it, please after you finish mixing, try to finish it off within half an hour, because within half an hour it will become very hard. You won't be able to work with that. Okay. So here it is done. So it is here done. So we'll wait for some time, let it dries up, and then we are going to fix up some stones here and lot of other things so that they look more nice. We can highlight it with some metallic or bronze color. The second color what we are going to put, it must be some metallic or bronze to highlight, to give dry brush stroke. We can go for gold or copper. Which color you all want for highlighting the design? Gold or copper? Let me know which color we should go. This is gold here, copper, and this is gold here. So whichever color you all want, let me know. I will do for the highlight part. Or even we have copper. This copper will look nice. Then we can go for this copper also, dark copper. Dark copper. So let me know which color. Okay. Thank you, Jayanti. Just wait for a few minutes. Couple of samples I have made. I'm going to show 3 more samples to you. I've already completed a sample and kept. So we are just waiting for this coat to dry so that I can give the second coat and I can design it with some 3D outliners. I have to make some design, white 3D outliners. I have to fix some kundan stones. So then only the box will look very gorgeous and beautiful, like a ethnic dry food box. Festival time, so you can make nice design box and keep it on a dining table and serve things in this so that your guests are happy. Okay, so done. Okay, still people are coming in. Jayanti is still there. Just take screenshot for me, somebody. Take your mobile screenshot and send me in WhatsApp. Yeah, people are still joining. 15, now it is increasing. What happened? People always sleeping, I think. Neeraj has posted, so people are coming live. Huh? Yes, paper glitter. For what purpose? For what purpose you want to use paper glitter? No, paper glitter will not work. Actually, what will happen when you wash or clean it with something, it will go away. So go for metallic colors. They look very nice. I'll show you. Wait, just buy one set of metallic colors, and you can use for many projects. It will give you a very nice, rich look to your box. Okay. So I'm just trying to dry the color up, and we will still do some outliner work, and just trying to, yeah. Okay. Neeraj, can you take a screenshot of your mobile and send it to me in my personal WhatsApp? Or any Jayanti is there, Jayanti can take. Any of you take, please take the screenshot of this of the thing of the session now and send me in WhatsApp, because my spare mobile is not there. Vishal, 1 5. Okay. So it's done here. It is dried up. Now I'm going to design it little more so that it looks more nice. So I have here 3D white outliner. So we are going to put 3D white outliner. I'm going to put some dots. Very just simply press it and put. Very simple. It is very easy, but it looks very elegant. You want me to focus? 1 minute. Yeah. So okay. So here we are. And see, let the green color dry. If the green color is not dried up, your outliner will change to light green. So that's what is happening with my outliner. This is white 3D outliner. So because my green color is not dried slightly, this white outliner is changing to slightly green. It is getting in the when I'm pulling my 3D outliner out. So please wait for it to dry and then only you should. Okay. And then we have this simple, we are going to do here zigzag. Okay. So all the 4 corners, all the sides, we can create simple zigzag. And gently press the outliner so that you have hold over the outliner. Too much don't press it, otherwise it will come very thick. Okay. And here we also will do the zigzag. No, we'll put here we'll put some stones here, and here we'll put some stones, and some stones we'll put it here. Okay, here the dots is left, I think so. So remember, you can use a hard box, sweet box it can be, or mobile box, whatever it is. Today I have used a mobile box, and now I'm going to fix up some stones, and almost it is going to complete. And after that I'll show you some samples what I have done. There are a lot of samples which I have done. I'm going to show you all those. So here some stones we are having here, white stones. So I'm going to fix them up. So 1 minute. So use fabric glue to fix up your stones. Don't use any other glue, because fabric glue is very strong and your stones what you are fixing will not come out. So I want some stones here in this area. So I'm going to put some fabric glue there. A small you can put, not much. Anyhow it will be transparent. And then take the back side of any pen, pencil, this back side of the pencil, just put it into the glue, little bit, just stick little glue, and lift the stone like this. Put it on the stone. 1 minute. I want to show you how to take the stone. Okay. See. Many people, they don't know how to take the stone, lift the stone. Now look here, the stone is here. Put little glue, this fabric glue in your pencil, and just put the stone will get stuck to the pencil, and then gently apply it. Okay, so we have to fix the stone like this. Okay. This also works nice. If you don't have pencil, this Johnson bird also works very nice. In fact, it picks very nicely with the Johnson bird. Yeah. Take a Johnson bird, put little bit glue in that, little bit, not much, and whichever stone you want to fix where, stick it on the stone here. Okay. Just put it on the stone like this. Lift your stone and put it on wherever you want. Okay. So see how nicely it is picking up. Just very little glue you have to put to the Johnson bird, stick on the stone and just place it. Okay, and we'll place here, and that's all. We'll wind up. So if the glue is little bit more, don't worry, when it dries up it become transparent. Okay, sometime what will happen, you'll feel that too much glue you have put, but don't put too much, put very little. Once it dries up, it will be transparent, the fabric glue. Use fabric glue for sticking stones, lace, whatever you want. All these things what you want to stick in the to make your design more beautiful, use all this fabric glue, stones. Use fabric glue to stick stone, lace, chumkeys, anything what you want. You can use even in fabric also. the fabric glue, with the fabric glue, in fabric you can use any lace, any kundan stone. So the glue is very strong and it is very good and very nice. Okay, so we'll just finish up this side also. Here it is. Few more, we'll fix it up. This side we have finished, this side also we have finished. This three sides we have finished, only we have to finish this side. Yeah, we'll finish this side also. So the second coat of the metallic color, the antique look, if you want you can give, or you can leave it up like this, but I think if we will give it will look nice. So all the 3 days project, all of you please make the sample and submit. We'll give you a week time, and within a week or you should submit all the 3 samples. Tomorrow is the last day of the mega event. Tomorrow we are going to do Vandarvar. So all of you can make Vandarvar. Just keep use cardboard ready, back notebook backside cover. We are going to make the Vandarvar in notebook backside cover. Okay, the covers what we get behind the notebooks, we are going to use that. Okay, so yeah, 1 minute. So this is also done. So let all the colors dries up, and then only you should stick the stone and all, because if the color is not dried up, your stone will get green color. So that's what is happening with us with some of the stones, because the color has not yet completely dried up. Some place it has dried, some place it has not dried. So we have to keep all these things in mind. Okay. Here it is done. So we have finished this much. Now we are just going to put a slightly metallic color for the antique look. Dry brush stroke you have to do. Might be with gold will do. Gold will look nice, I think so. I'll go for gold or I'll go for copper. I'm just confused. Might be this. I'll go for this bronze. Neither gold nor bronze. So just take it, and very little color you have to take in your brush for the dry brush stroke. Just gently on the design we have to give, not everywhere. On the design, just take little color, contrast color, so that the impression what we have created on the design is visible. The main reason of giving this second coat of dry brush stroke is to, so that the impression what we created on the design should be visible. Anyhow, the color is not dried, so you have to wait for completely for drying. Don't do on the spot, otherwise the design will not, the green color will mix with this color. So as I told you, we have to wait, and gently you have to give only on the top area, not all over, only on the top area, so that your design is highlighted. 1 minute, just wait. Gently, gently. I am doing it very gently because my green color is not yet dried up. My green color needs to dry up. So if you want, again you can give second coat to let the first coat dry up, then give the second coat, so that your design come little bit more prominent. That's what we are doing. Take very little color, extra color you should take it out from this, and then gently put very gently, and before doing that, see that the green color, what the base coat color what you have put is dried up. Okay, so I'll just paint it and bring it close to the camera and show you. So this is basically giving to highlight the impression. We want the impression to be highlighted. So we are basically giving this to highlight the impression. Okay. So as you see, the impressions all are getting highlighted. Okay. So here it is done. So almost done. So we'll just bring it close to the camera and show you how it is looking, and then we will show you the other boxes which we have designed, so that you will have couple of ideas here. So here it is. All of you can have a look. So the glue has to be dried up. So almost done. So can I have some likes and hearts? I hope so. This is one box. This we have designed in Poco Selfin box. Same way I'll show you the other boxes which I have designed. Thank you, Kanak and Lovely. Hi Kanak, thank you for joining. I think you are a bit late. Still people are pouring. Oh, thank you, Yashashree ma'am. It has come out very nice, very ethnic. It has a very ethnic look. We just use only 3 colors, green and the metallic top color and the 3D outliner white. So I hope all of you like it. So can I have some likes? And please make a project like this and submit in the group, in the WhatsApp group. I'll show you the other what I have done. Okay. This we have done in the plastic box. So look here, the ready-made dry fruit box what you get, that on that box we have just colored and designed it. So you can have a look here. So thank you, Jayanti. And one more box. This is in plastic. As I told you, this one we have done in the hard card paper box. And this is the plastic box. You can make it out from down. I'll show you the down. So it's a dry fruit box what we get in the market, a used one. So we have done in that. And this one is in wood. So here basically we have used pearl metallic blue, and this is gold color with the same clay we have designed. So you can have a look the design how it is. And we have used your 3D outliner to highlight, and some stones we have fixed. I'll give you a closer view. You can have a closer view of this box. So with the same clay we have done the design, and we have put 3D outliner, white 3D outliner to highlight this area, the zigzag area, and this here the stones, and around the stone you can see. So we have created all these patterns, and the center in the handle we have created this pattern. Here after putting the tilakam I have made it flat. That's what I was telling. Oval balls we have made and made it flat. We made ovals balls and made it flat. So and then here you can, this is a wooden dry fruit box with 4 compartments. It is available in the market. In that we have designed, this is made in wood. So 3 different types of dry fruit box I have taught you. Please make one and post in the group. And thank you all of you for joining. It was nice teaching you all. Please post one sample in the group, WhatsApp group. And tomorrow we'll have a Bandhavar, that is Door Toranam. You need, you can make in OHP sheets or hardboard or wood. So tomorrow I am on the class we are going to do with cardboard, and you can, the notebook use cardboard you can use, and others notebook use cardboard will do practically in the class on the spot, and others you can do with any material. As I told you, Today I have given you 3 options, so you can also do any options whichever you want. So thank you, Girija. Girija, please post, Girija and Jayanti and those who have all joined this session, please post your creation in the WhatsApp group. This is a 3D festive mega workshop. All the 3 days projects, if you are submit, you will be issued a certificate from Fevikill Hobby Ideas for attending this 3 days mega workshop. So thank you all of you for joining us. It was wonderful teaching you. Do keep creating and keep sharing, and just be again here live with me tomorrow at 1 p.m. For another creative session. Thank you all. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.